In today's video, I'm going to show you how to embed a video on LinkedIn. First, I go to YouTube. So, first you need to select which video you want to embed. For example, I select this video, then click on share. Again, just copy this link. Then going to your LinkedIn profile, then click write article. Then this is embed option. Just paste your targeted YouTube video link. That's it. You can see it's already embedded on my article. You need to write a headline, then some paragraph, then click next. Tell your network what about article is. You can write your own way, then click publish. That's it. It's already published to my profile. Thanks for watching. See you again.